Hello guys, today we are gonna learn how to make a program in Java. So before moving, we need to know what is Java. Java is a high-level language, class-based, and is object-oriented programming. It was designed by James Gosling in 1995. It is owned by Oracle, and more than 3 billion devices run Java. So it is used for mobile applications, desktop applications, database connections, web applications, games, web servers, and application servers. So we for making a program in Java, we need Bluej. So for we need Bluej as the service. So Bluej is a free Java environment. It is a window-based platform for Java Development Kit, which is JDK. JDK 1.5 or 1.6 version needs to be installed before installing Bluej. So we need to install Bluej using JDK 1.5 or 1.6. After installing Bluej, we open it. Now we have got this Java file over here. So before moving, we need to make a class. A class. So for making a new class, we need to go to the option new class over here. Then we need to name the class. So for example, I'm gonna name this sample one and make sure that it should be Java. It should be selected as Java. So after naming it, we need to select this OK. After this, we'll a new file book will appear, new class. So we need to double click it. Here we have a new file. So yeah. So first we are gonna start by comment. For starting comment, we need to put double slash. So it's a comment now. Is it? So we need to comment. So I'm gonna comment it as a sample program to find the sum of two numbers. Sample program. Numbers. After commenting now, we can start the program. First, we need to we can name it as public, private, or personal. So public it can be viewed by anyone in this world who is using Java, and private is only for you and your family. It can be only viewed by you and your family, and personal is only for you. It cannot be viewed even by your family. So I'm gonna keep it as public. After public, like we need to put the class, then we have to name it. So I'm gonna name it as public class sum, and remember the class name should always be in caps. After this, now we have to I start it with a curly bracket. So after this, we have to put public static void main string args. That is the default statement. Public void. Void is a keyword. So the data type is string. I'm using string. There are multiple data types, but I'm using string because it accepts any method. And string args means the string argument. Then we need to close it by the square brackets. And now fine. Yeah. Now we need to put one more opening curly bracket. So because this is the starting of the strings data type. Here I'm gonna write the whole program. After this, now the thing is we need to some a method which is integer. integer accepts negative and positive numbers. So we use the name int in Java for integers. Let int so I'm gonna select few variables for sums. So like I'm gonna assign any number. Then if there will be two numbers, I'll assign it to two variables, and the third variable will be the final one. So let me name them as xyz. X, comma, y, z. So let them all be equal to 0 because I haven't assigned them yet. After this, we have to close it with a with a colon because it's a statement. Now we are gonna write. We are gonna assign x and y the numbers. So let x equal to 300, and we don't forget to put the colon. Now y would be equal to 400. 400. Yeah, so, colon. After this, now see the z. Z would equal to the sum of x plus y. So z equal to x plus y. So this is the another statement we have to put in colon. Now we are going to print the statement. Now we are going to print the statement using this using the keyword system out dot println. We should not put space in between, and the system should be in caps. The system s should be in caps. System dot out dot. Now we have to whatever sender like whatever we entered in this bracket, that would be a statement that would be printed in the output. We have to start it with double quotes. Let the statement show, like we can assign it our own statement. So I'm gonna assign it sum of two numbers. Equal to. Now I'm going to close the quotes. Now it's like different color because of the quotes, because that's going to be printed. For now we are going to write plus c plus z, then put the brackets. So this is completed, and you have to put colon over here. After this is the end of the program. We are completed with the program. So here main things you observe here are this curly brackets. This is the methods. This is the data type how we are using. So this curly bracket is connected to this. When this opens, this has to be closed. If you, for example, if you don't close it, and if you say you compile it, there's a syntax error. So before we need to enter enter it. So if we compile now, there are no syntax here because these curly brackets are the starting and the ending of the programs. And these two curly brackets, these are the starting and ending of the program, the string program. So we know if we don't put this curly brackets, then the program would not be accepted. So now if we compile, there are no syntax error. Now what we do is close this. Now here is the our program. We need to right click it once, and this is the void main string. This is our data type. So we take select it, and our sample dot main is accepted by curly brackets as I mentioned. Now here's our output. So 400 plus 300 equal to 700. This is our output. I'll take you to the program once again. Yeah, 400 and 300. So now Z equal to, you might have noticed that Z showing sum of two numbers is 700, because we had printed the sum of two numbers plus Z, so it will not show Z because we did not put it in the print option. So that's it for this video. Thanks, and please share and subscribe this video, and I'll see you in the next video.